In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Revolut Business Account Verify. We'll walk through the entire process from the first search to reaching your dashboard so you can follow along confidently. Before you begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your business and identity documents handy, such as a valid government ID and your company registration details. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Revolut. On the official Revolut site, look for the option to create an account and click it. You'll be asked to choose your country. So select the one where your business is registered and confirm that Revolut supports it. Click Continue to proceed. Next, choose your legal business type, such as a limited company or sole trader. Select the option that matches your legal structure and click Continue. Enter your email address, then Continue. Head to your email inbox and approve or authorize the login request so Revolut can confirm it's you. You'll now enter your phone number. Make sure the correct country code is selected to avoid any verification issues, then continue. Enter the verification code sent to your phone, create a strong password that you'll remember, then continue. Provide your date of birth and continue. Enter your residential address accurately, including any apartment or unit details, and continue again. Now search for your business legal name, select the correct listing. If it appears, then continue. You'll be prompted for business details, including your legal business name, your official registration number, and your date of incorporation. Ensure these match your official records to prevent delays. Click Continue, enter your business address, city, and postcode exactly as registered, then Continue. It's time to verify your identity. Click Continue, choose the type of ID you'll use, and follow the prompts. When asked, start the video recording. Make sure you're in a well-lit area. Hold your ID steady and follow the on-screen instructions carefully so the system can match your face and document. After you complete verification, your application will be processed. Once approved, you'll land on your Revolut Business dashboard where you can explore features, set up accounts, and manage payments. If anything doesn't match or an error appears, double-check your entries against your official documents and try again. That's it. You've created and verified your Revolut Business account from start to finish. Pause or rewind as needed, and when you're ready, follow these steps to get your business up and running on Revolut.